Good job, Leah.
Very nice. Yep, that's very good. All the way.
Leah, what are you making?
A hill.
What are you making, Leah?
All right, take more. Yeah, what kind of roll are you making there?
Spicy one for you.
A spicy what?
Ooh.
I don't know.
Spicy poke roll? A spicy tuna roll?
Here, Mama.
My turn?
I want, Mama.
Yeah?
I want to get ginger for you.
Oh, sure.
Okay.
You're going to put it in a straight line? Okay. Very nice. Thank you so much. What else should we put in here?
Right.
Rice we already have. Do you want any vegetables?
This? I guess on yours?
I think we don't do. Doug, do you want spicy and not spicy?
That's okay. Whatever Leah wants to put in.
How about some vegetables?
How about Goldilocks in yours?
No.
No,
How about
Goldilocks.
either crab or maybe the
crab?
cucumber?
You know what we can do? We can do a spicy crab and spicy poke. You want to do that? Yeah? Oh, good Christmas music in the background.
We'll put this on top.
Thanks. Wonderful job. Should we add some spicy crab?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Mama.
Use your right hand, but sometimes the right hand is stronger. Maybe you're lefty.
Got
Okay,
it.
good job. All the way across. Nice.
How about cucumber?
I think it's a wonderful idea to do a cucumber all the way straight across.
I mean, how about carrot?
Sure. Carrots and cucumber all the way across. Good. Need a little more.
That's the one.
Very nice.
What is that called, Leah?
Lovely.
I don't know.
What do you want to call this roll, Leah?
We call it a double spice roll.
Yeah.
A double spicy, all around spicy roll. Wow.
There you
I want some more stuff.
Okay, let's put one more cucumber in there.
I'm going to
Okay. It's going to be a big roll, just the way Dada likes big rolls.
Found it.
Nice. Are we done?
Yes.
Are we ready to roll it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's spread the ginger out a little bit.